Mixing. I'm mixing.
Are you mixing? Oh.
With
You're really going at it, too.
it's mixing. All the colors that you love.
Oops.
Oh.
You got a nice color brown there.
It's mixing all the blue ones that we didn't make. It makes red.
Does it?
Green and yellow make red. Right in my arm, right here.
No, you don't have any paint on that arm.
Right here.
Oh, that's your eczema.
Well, I just blew that theory.
See.
You thought he knew how to make red. Are you having fun?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you're giving him some hair, huh?
Give him here.
See, this is this is his eyebrows.
Oh.
You should give him a mouth.
He makes these. He thinks he's little up to him to eat.
Oh, to eat.
It's coconut.
Really?
He likes coconut. He likes coconut.
Who doesn't?
Coconut?
I don't, 'cause I'm sick of coconut.
You're sick of coconuts?
Have you ever had coconut?
I didn't.
Oh.
There's another one right here.
So how do you know you don't like coconut?
Because he gave them all up. One with coconut, and then you be all coconut.
Aha.
You don't like coconuts? Or
I don't.
How do you know?
Maybe you do like coconut.
Maybe I don't. See what that makes. It makes red. Green, yellow, red, make red.
Red makes red?
It makes brown, brown.
All of them make a lot of brown, doesn't it?
I want to make this. It's all together.